Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can make your account public on TikTok. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, tap on TikTok app in your device. Then tap on profile option. After that, you can see the three lines. Tap on it. Then tap on settings and privacy. Next, you can see the option of privacy. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of private account. Tap on it. After that, tap on switch. So, this is how you can make your account public on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.